3 healthy drinks to make at home for glowing skin. Here are 3 easy to make, delicious to drink beverages that can help you have healthy, bright skin. 1. Spinach juice. We've all been told how important it is to eat this green leafy vegetable known as spinach. Spinach can be beneficial for your skin since it is high in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, E, and K. Spinach also hydrates your skin, reduces the appearance of dark spots and gives it a bright glow. Ingredients for spinach juice: 2 cups chopped spinach, 1 apple, chopped half a lemon, 3/4 cup of water, sprinkling of pepper. Preparation: wash thoroughly the chopped spinach and pour it through a strainer. In a blender, combine the rinsed spinach and some diced apples. Squeeze half a lemon into the mixture and combine thoroughly before gradually adding the water. This spinach juice should be strained and poured into a glass. To acquire healthy skin with a beautiful glow, add some pepper to the juice and drink it first thing in the morning. 2. Carrot and beetroot juice. This juice, which is made with richly tinted beetroots and crunchy carrots, is the ideal elixir for beautiful skin. Loads of vitamins and nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, zinc, folic acid, iron, fiber, and manganese. Here are the ingredients I normally use. Half a beetroot, 4 carrots, 1/4 inch ginger, half cup water, half lemon. Preparation: place the carrots and beets in a blender after chopping them up. Blend in the ginger and lemon juice while gradually adding water. Pour the juice out of the pulp into a strainer and pour it into the glass. If desired, season with black pepper and add this carrot beetroot juice first thing in the morning. 3. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a house plant which has anti-inflammatory and moisturizing effects. Aloe vera also boosts the creation of collagen and helps to hydrate and moisturize your skin, as well as giving it a glow. Ingredients for aloe vera juice: 1 leaf of aloe vera, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 glass water. Preparation: with the use of a spoon, scrape out the gel from 1 aloe vera leaf. Put the gel in a blender and add the lemon juice. Blend it thoroughly before gradually adding water to the mixture. Use a mesh strainer to strain it and drink it every morning. Before creating and drinking these drinks, make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients, so ask your dietitian.